Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that's been buzzing around. Can AI robots actually replace emotional support pets? And if they can, how do they provide that same kind of emotional companionship? Let's break it down. For centuries, pets have been a huge part of human lives. They offer unconditional love, emotional support, and even help reduce stress and anxiety. But with AI advancing rapidly, robots are being developed to provide companionship too. So, can AI really match the deep emotional connection we get from our furry friends? Let's start by understanding how AI robots are being designed to give us emotional companionship. These robots, like AI-powered pets or humanoids, are programmed to recognize human emotions through facial expressions, voice tone, and even gestures. Using advanced algorithms and sensors, they can respond in ways that mimic empathy or understanding. But let's be real. There's a huge difference between a robot simulating affection and a living, breathing pet that's naturally affectionate. While AI can do a great job imitating empathy, it doesn't feel empathy. This is where emotional support animals have the upper hand. That said, there's an undeniable appeal to AI companions. For people who might be allergic to pets, or for those living in places where animals aren't allowed, AI robots offer a practical solution. They can still provide routines of companionship, reduce loneliness, and in some cases, may even serve therapeutic purposes. According to some psychologists, AI robots can have a positive impact on mental health, especially for individuals who may struggle with social anxiety, depression, or isolation. The consistency and non-judgmental nature of AI can help create a sense of security. So, can AI robots fully replace emotional support pets? Maybe not in every way, at least not yet, but they can provide a unique form of companionship that works for some people. The emotional bond might not be as deep, but it's definitely a fascinating step forward in human-robot relationships. What do you think? Could AI ever replace the companionship of a real pet, or is there just no substitute for the real deal? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content. Now let's dive even deeper into a really interesting topic. Can AI robots actually feel emotions? This question takes us right to the cutting edge of AI research, where scientists and engineers are working on creating bots that go beyond simply recognizing our emotions. The goal is to make them capable of simulating or even understanding emotions in a way that feels more human. Right now, AI robots don't feel emotions the way we do. They don't experience joy, sadness, or empathy. Instead, they're equipped with emotion detection systems. These systems use cameras, facial recognition software, voice tone analyzers, and other sensors to figure out what we're feeling based on our expressions and behavior. But this is more about reading emotions than actually feeling them. However, some researchers are pushing the boundaries. They're exploring ways to give AI bots what's known as affective computing, which is the creation of machines that can simulate emotional experiences in a way that feels real to humans. Despite this, the emotional responses AI can simulate are becoming more convincing. Advances in neural networks, deep learning, and human-AI interaction research are pushing us closer to robots that can provide emotional engagement that feels more natural. Imagine a future where your AI companion understands your emotional needs based on years of interaction and can offer support in the same way a close friend or pet might. Some of the research in this area involves not just responding to emotions, but anticipating them. This means AI could detect subtle emotional cues, like the way your voice wavers or how you carry yourself when you're stressed, and offer comfort before you even realize you need it. That's a whole new level of emotional interaction. So where does that leave us? While AI can't truly feel emotions in the way we do, the idea of creating robots that can understand and respond to our emotional states is becoming more of a reality. This could change the way we interact with technology, giving us AI companions that feel almost human-like in their emotional intelligence. The big question is whether this kind of simulated emotional intelligence will ever be able to replace the real, organic connection we have with emotional support animals. It's clear that AI has the potential to provide comfort and companionship, but whether it can offer the same depth of connection is something we'll have to wait and see. What do you think? Could AI ever replace the companionship of a real pet? Or is there just no substitute for the real deal? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the bell for notifications. See you in the next one.